Okay, so today I'm going to ask some questions to Simnan about like or dislike. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay. So the first question I would like to ask you that do you like to drive a car?
Oh, well, to be honest, sir,
Okay.
I love driving car. You can say I'm keen on driving cars, sir. Sir, last time I don't know how to drive, but inshallah, if I will grow, if I will become, if I will cross the age of 18,
Right.
so I will definitely buy one car and drive it every day.
Right.
To answer your question, sir, I am passionate about car.
Oh, that's great, man. Okay. So next question about like or dislike. Do you like to play indoor games or outdoor games? Which one?
Well, sir, I will prefer to play outdoor games.
I prefer to play.
So I prefer to play outdoor games. So because in the outdoor games we will play, so our health and fitness will increase. Our capacity of thinking and ability to ability for our health will also increase. Our brain will get freshness. So to answer your question, sir, I prefer to play outdoor games, sir.
See, remember there are, as I told you earlier in the past videos, that there are some signpost language, like in the first place, in the second place, or finally. In the first place, in the second place, or lastly. Okay, so try to use some time. For example, sir, I prefer to play outdoor game because it has numerous advantages. First of all, secondly, thirdly, lastly. Okay, so now let me try again one more time. And you can start. How do you say like it? I love it. I'm passionate about it. I'm crazy about it. I'm fond of it. I'm really into it. And I'm a big fan of it. Something like that, right? I'm curious to know from you right now that do you like reading a textbook or a storybooks? Be honest, Simran. Funny question, right?
Honestly, sir, I prefer to read storybooks. Sir, because in the storybooks there are a lot of type of storybooks. However, in the textbook there are subjects like such as science, English, maths, Marathi, Hindi, etc. But if, sir, in the storybooks there are infinite storybooks in the world. So, sir, to answer your query, sir, I prefer to read a storybooks.
Okay, fine. Simran, could you tell me about your maybe personal experience living in Mumra, for example? For how long have you been living in Mumra, and what is your experience about Mumra?
Well, sir, I have been living in MUMBRA since childhood. Since childhood, you may say. And, sir, based on my experience, sir, I have mixed thinking.
I have mixed feelings.
I have mixed feelings, like good also and bad also. First of all, good things. Firstly, sir, Mumra is a good city. There are a lot of places to. There in the Mumra. There's, you may say, MM Valley, Dosti, and other buildings also. Secondly, sir, in the Mumra, the things it's very cheaper, like other things. Like in Bandra, if we will buy one. What you may say, one kg tomato, so
Yes.
it will cost more money, it will expensive than Mumra. But if
Right.
we buy,
So it is affordable in Mumbai.
yes,
Right.
it's affordable in Mumra.
Right.
Second
And what
thing,
are the
and secondly, sir, disadvantages. First of all, sir, the people of some people of Mumra are hooligans.
right.
Are hooligans, like some people uh, most of the people, they are not they are not hooligans,
Right.
but they have some bad things,
Right.
like they search on YouTube, they hack someone's phone, you may say. And some bad people, they cheat also, they
Okay.
cheat also, sir. Well, to answer your
Okay.
question, sir, I have mixed feeling.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, that's fine. That's great. But remember, when we talk about two things, right? Whenever you have a mixed feelings, for example, on a particular subject, so you can say that, sir, on the one side, I see it has a lot of advantages. So you can use signpost language in the first place, second place, and lastly. On the other hand, Having said that, on the other hand, like you can use this kind of contrast. Okay, on the contrary,